easy etude to learn. There's a lot of open strings to help you navigate the double stops and really listen to intonation and the quality of sound, quality of pitch that you're creating. So that's really nice. It's a wonderful way to get introduction to double stops playing on violin. And if you need a little bit more detailed tutorial on how to do this, I'll be glad to schedule a lesson with you, or head on over to my Patreon site where you can watch a walkthrough of this etude and maybe more on my Patreon side. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.